going to see the enrollment of NPTEL course. So first search NPTEL on any browser and click on the second link, Swayam Central. After you click, you will see a button here, sign in and register. Click on that. There are two options for sign in. Either you can use your Google account or you can create your own account. So let's create an account and see. Just click on create account after you fill the details. Uh, Verify your mail. Mail has been sent by the NPTEL. Just verify the link. Once you get verified, you will get the login details here. Click on verify you are a human and simply sign in. After you log in successfully, go to the all courses and join 4 courses as mentioned below. For example, we will enroll in one course, that is artificial intelligence. Here you will get the course detail, its duration, and always check the enrolled course must have 3 credits as it is important for the current semester. Now click on join button. Here are the basic details you have to fill up to enroll in the course. First of all, write your name, your phone number, your mail ID, your date of birth, select your gender, currently residing in India, fill up the basic details as per your profile, profession, student, higher qualification, master degree, year of graduation, 2024, here put your ABC ID, and then after education details, part of the Swayam local chapter, select no, then college state, Maharashtra. Here you can search your college name, as this is for Diva Patil's college student Chikli. I have searched here. The site is little bit slower, so wait, don't double click as it will hang.